Piñata Party! Make a cool craft for your next celebration. For this craft, you'll need an empty cereal box, paper, streamers, tissue paper optional, string, scissors, and glue. Step 1. Ask a grown-up to help you cut a large square from the cereal box. Step 2. Fill the box with small treats, then glue a piece of paper over the opening. Step 3. Cut slits into the streamers or strips of tissue paper. Step 4. Start at the bottom and glue the streamers or tissue paper all around the box. Step 5. Glue streamers to the bottom of the box. Step 6. Attach a string to the top so you can hang up your piñata. Party time! Thanks for watching!